Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you having trouble sending iMessages? In this video, I'll show you all the solutions to fix this issue so that you can send messages again. Let's go. If you're having trouble sending messages on your iPhone, here are some things you can try. First, force quit Messages and then relaunch it after a few seconds. Force quitting an app is the simplest method in resolving any app glitches without having to restart your entire device. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID, slowly swipe up from the bottom of the home screen. This should bring up the App Switcher where you can see all the apps you've recently used. Find the app that is glitching and swipe up to force quit it. On iPhones with a home button, the process is a bit different. Simply double press the home button and then swipe up, just like you do on the latest iPhone models. Afterwards, you should be able to open the app again. If the issue is still not resolved, it could be caused by a few things. Let's start by checking if you have a network connection. Messages are sent through your cell phone provider's connection, but you can use Wi-Fi if available. Make sure you have a strong network connection. If you're in a low signal area, your messages may not go through. Make sure airplane mode is turned off on your iPhone so you can send and receive messages. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to force your device to request a new connection to the network. In addition, if you use iMessage to send texts, check if iMessage is activated in your settings. It could have been turned off accidentally, which might have been the problem. Turn on iMessage, go to Settings, select Messages, and then toggle on the iMessage option. If you're still having trouble sending messages, check the Apple System Status page to see if iMessage is down. If it is, you'll need to wait for Apple to fix the issue. The Messages app can sometimes malfunction or experience other issues. Restarting your device can resolve these software conflicts that are preventing your messages from sending. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Additionally, your iPhone has network settings that control how it connects to cellular and Wi-Fi networks. If these settings are corrupted, it can prevent your phone from sending texts. Resetting your network settings can fix this problem. To reset your iPhone network settings, open Settings and navigate to General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Press Reset and choose the Reset Network Settings option. Then enter your device passcode to confirm the action and start the reset process. Please note that your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular, VPN, and APN settings will be restored to factory defaults. However, you can easily reconfigure them once the reset is done. Also, don't worry, no personal data like photos, contacts, or other files will be deleted from your device. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.